Welcome to JH. CrossGroundStore.com is yet another online portal peddling men's fashion, ranging from jackets and trousers to bags. But is it a legitimate business or just a very elaborate way to lose your lunch money? Let's find out. The site was registered in August 2024, which means it's been around for a few months now. That's practically ancient in its scam years, showing the owners are at least trying to look like they mean business. They have even managed to build a social media presence, boasting over 2,000 followers on Instagram and 1,000 on Facebook. Apparently, a few thousand people enjoy looking at pictures of clothes they might never actually receive. They offer a massive variety of styles, from classic to trendy, because nothing says professional like trying to be everything to everyone at once. Variety is the spice of life, but in this case, it might just be the seasoning on a bad deal. The store also provides a physical address and an email for support. It's a nice touch, giving you a specific place to send your angry letters when things inevitably go south. However, we need to talk about the actual customer experience. We checked Trustpilot and found a staggering 1.7-star rating. Honestly, I've seen better reviews for root canals. The feedback is a disaster zone of complaints regarding poor quality, misleading descriptions, and shipping times that suggest your package is being rowed across the ocean by a single, very tired turtle. Despite the local appearance, everything actually ships from China. Buyers claim that getting a refund is a total nightmare, and many are convinced the store will simply vanish into the digital void with their cash. So, is CrossGroundStore.com legit? Despite the shiny social media and we're totally a real office address, those red flags are bright enough to be seen from space. With constant complaints about quality and non-existent refunds, shopping here is a high-stakes gamble where the house usually wins. Save your money and your sanity by staying far away. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest takes on the internet's most questionable corners.